Hello, have you ever wondered how to make money online? I will give you few ideas. Freelancing. You can offer your skills as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru. Services you could offer include writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and virtual assistants. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale you make. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. Online investments. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other investment opportunities online. You could use platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance, Bitget, or eToro to get started. Online tutoring or teaching. You can teach a subject you are knowledgeable about or tutor students online through websites like VIPKid, Chegg, or TutorMe. Online surveys. You can participate in online surveys and earn money for your opinions. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Toluna pay you for taking surveys and completing other simple tasks. Selling products online. You can sell products on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. You could also start your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Making money online takes time, effort, and dedication. You may have to try a few different methods before finding one that works for you. Just don't give up.